Congratulations again. We somehow, we actually make use of the term pupil. No, ma'am, no? But actually, gina-discourage na sa namon ang paggamit sa pupil kay sometimes na may interpret naton because ang pupil is actually parts of the human eye. So in order for us to make safe, make use of the word learner. Okay, ma'am? That is for another idea. Ma'am, gamay lang din ma'am ako ma'am nakita, ma'am. Your beneficiary for your innovation is actually grade 4 and grade 6. But you were not able to provide us with the data as to kung ano ang status sang mga bata nga grade 4 kag anong status sang bata sa grade 6 prior sang imo nga pag-implement ma'am sang imo nga post-test. So there should be a comparison dapat ma'am sang data sa pre-test sa grade 4 and then sa grade 6 anong ilada yung result sa post-test sa grade 4 kag sa grade 6 kaya nagapaminsan ko ma'am gimix lang mo na sila tanan. But in general, they are actually in different levels. Therefore, ga-expect ko ma'am nga may lain-lain ma'am nga performance ang grade 4 sa grade 6. Nevertheless, you were not able to provide us ma'am, okay? Ma'am, pila ma'am ang imo ma'am student sa grade 4? Why 14 lang ma'am imo ma'am gin-provide diri ma'am nga learners?
Actually, sir, the 14 learners were under the frustration level from grade 4 to grade 6.
So under the frustration level, but in your pre-test, ma'am, actually it revealed that there are actually under in the instructional level.
Sa reading, bali, sir, sa Phil Erie, mag-base ka sang, word recognition, and then the reading comprehension of the learner, then the reading profile.
Okay.
Bali,
so, kumbaga ma'am, there are 14 learners and
Yes,
then
sir.
there are 3 under categories ang ginamention mo na ma'am sa PhilEre, word reading, reading comprehension, and reading profile. But in general ma'am, let us look into the pre-test. Sa reading profile, they are all under frustration. But in the post-test, may arag yapon man nag-remain under frustration.
Yes, sir. There
So
are still 5 learners who are under frustration level.
So, ma'am, what is your observation on that? Nga, ma'am,
Actually, sir, these learners has manifestations nga wala pa siya na-diagnose from the doctors. But one pupil or learner is actually kung makita mo lang siya, it has dwarfism. So, may difficulty gid sa to remember words and then comprehend the passages because when we try to have the intervention, for example, sir, we do it this day and then tomorrow she will easily forget it. So, mabudlayan gid sa to have that higher reading level from the frustration. But sa word recognition, where she can actually grasp some of it. And then, as of now, she's in grade 5. We're still having that kind of intervention for her so that...
Tayo naman nga intervention, ma'am. Hindi na ni-amon eh.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
That's
sir.
good actually, ma'am, no? Kay, upon looking at the figures, dapat we should be alarmed. We should be alarmed. Kaya nga man, ang atong target is actually dapat mag-increase ang ilang performance. Here comes, nagdubo pagit sila, ma'am, sa post-test. So there should be another series of intervention until such time we can really hit our goal.
Actually,
Thank you
sir,
so much, ma'am, and congratulations.
Sa results ng post-test, sir, is 14, 9 are already in independent or in instructional level.